So guys, today we're going to be designing a BTC investment website with one of my best scripts. And this BTC investment script has a whole lot of functionalities, as you're going to find out soon. Alright, and this video is not 100% targeted to beginners, alright, but a smart beginner can actually follow through this video, and before the end of the video should be able to design a full functional BTC investment website without any issues. Alright, without wasting much time, let me get into my computer and let's get started. As usual, I would have loved to start by buying up domain name and hosting, but like I said, this particular video is not 100% targeted on beginners, so I'll not waste time on buying domain name and hosting. Alright, and for this particular tutorial, I'll be using hosting as my hosting provider. There are a lot of hosting platforms out there. We have Namecheap, we have so many other ones. I have the one I use personally. Alright, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use hosting. So if you have any other hosting platform you're using, it is pretty the same thing. It's just one or two changes here and there. The platforms are different. Hosting is a little bit more complicated than Namecheap, but it's basically the same thing. So if you follow up with me, you can use this process even on other hosting. And if you want my personal hosting, you can send me a DM and I'll recommend that one for you because it is strong. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get into my computer and get started immediately. In a moment. Okay, so welcome to my PC. This is how it looks like. This is how the BTC investment website. This is how the script looks like. This is the front page. Alright. As usual, you can actually use any kind of front page for your website. You can use any kind of front page, alright, for your website. But one great thing about this script is that this particular script has the option of six different templates that you can actually choose from. Alright, you can choose from the template, so you have the luxury of choosing different templates. You have 6 options before you can decide to start going for other before you can start thinking of other front end designs. You must have exhausted at least the 6 you have here. All right, so I'm going to try to get into the admin and show you some of the functionalities just briefly before we end this video. I basically wanted to just show you the script and how powerful it is. So we are going to get into the admin in a jiffy. So just hang on a bit. Okay, so welcome to the admin of this beautiful script, this wonderful script. As you can see, this is the admin, a whole lot of functionalities. All right, this is the admin. So this is a live website right here, and look at people that have registered. All right, these are people that have registered here. And okay, total users here is where you can know the total users, active users, just as it is here. It's very, and the currency is this. The script has the option where you can change the currency. All right, this one is having this currency, so yeah, I don't even know what it is, but the owner of the website has the ability to set it up, all right, with whichever currency the person wants. So but the major thing I like about this script actually is the templates. All right, if you go under manage theme here, you see that this script comes with 6 different front pages, so you can activate any one and it will just take up the websites. Look at them. This is the one the script is using. I think this one, this dark purple, then it has deep blue, gold, black, light yellow, light pink, and all these templates are very sound and okay. All right, I know every script, there's a lot happening on the internet, and every script has just one or two once in a while. Well, this is one of the scripts I've used, and I know that this is very, like, I rate it 90%. We'll just leave the remaining 10% for benefit of nothing can actually be perfect. All right, but trust me, I give it 90%. It has a whole lot of things, so you have the ability to choose, so you don't have to worry about your website looking the same throughout your project if you're somebody that designs for other people. All right, and you still have the options to clone any website and use the front page as usual. I have a course on that, but for now let's focus on why we are here. All right, so these are the templates. This is one of the functionalities I wanted to point out. Then one of the functionalities, again, every other functionality is just the same as a normal BTC investment website, except that this one is better in all ramification. It has the email section. You can set up the email, plugins, manage language. Here's where you can change your logo, manage logo and SEO, manage content. You can edit all the content in the website right from here. All right, you can do all that right from here. The manual gateway, this is where you configure your payment method manually. Here, this is where payment methods also here. All right, if I click on this now, let's see, let me show you quickly. Look at it as BTC, Ethereum. This is the one that is set up now. All right, you can choose to add more. If I click on add now, you will see that to appear here, you can add more. The picture of the logo of your payment gateway, you can add it here, put the wallet here and some, everything is actually very perfect. I don't want to waste too much time on this video. I actually made an installation guide on how to install this script. So if you are getting this script from me, I will send you the guide, or probably even make a video for you. I just pray I have the time to do so, but I'll try my best to actually do that for you if you come for the script. And please, this script is pricey. All right, it's pricey because of the kind of value it has. So if you are here, I always give discount. I love to give discount a lot. So if you're watching this video today, you want to contact me today, you're going to be getting a discount as usual. All right, but don't come here if you are looking for something free. Please, you are not supposed to be here in the first place. If you're looking for something free, just exit from this place. All right, you can go for any other place, you can get free things, but we don't do free stuff here. All right, you need to learn. You need to learn to spend money to get value. So under investment, you can actually pretty much do everything you can do here. These are the people that has invested, completed investment, the one that is still reading, as you can see here. Like I cannot even start highlighting all the functionalities of this particular script. I cannot, but when you get the script, you get to explore more functionalities by yourself. Look at KYC, pending KYC, KYC log, all user. If you want to check out the users on the system, payout, payment request, like everything is actually here. But let's not go too deep. Let's move to the user dashboard quickly. One of the great things about this particular script is that you can move to any user's dashboard straight from the admin, so you don't need the user's permission or have the details to enter the person's dashboard. Look at what I'm going to show you now. Click on all user, for instance. You click on all user, for instance, you come down here and let's say you want to access this person's account. You can just come to this hamburger icon, click on it. You see edit, send email. You can send email directly from here. You can edit the details and you can just log in as user. If I click on login as user directly, it takes me into the user's dashboard. So let's just explore that and see how the user's dashboard is. Instead of going to log in from the website, we're still going to just enter a user dashboard straight from here. So I just click on this and click on yes. All right, and click on yes. So we just let it load. If your network is fast, it will be faster than mine. If your own is fast enough, but mine is relatively just okay. So this is the this is one of the script that is currently running this website. Sorry, one of the templates. This whole thing is a script. I call it a 6-in-1 script. It's like a 6-in-1 script, because it has 6 templates inside that you can actually choose from. And once you choose it, it affects everywhere, both the dashboard, the internal side of the website, and also the front side. So it affects basically everything about the website and the colors and everything. All right. So this is the options we have in the user dashboard. As you can see, it's very pretty on desktop, and even on mobile view, it's even more pretty on mobile view. So you can deposit here, invest here. Once you've deposited, you can now start your investment. All right. Okay, so let me just click on deposit and show you what I mean. If I click on deposit here, let's allow it to Let's allow it to open up. This is a live website, so for those of you that will be asking if this thing is working, or people like to ask too many questions, this is a live website. This is actually, so if you want to pay through any payment, this is the ones who selected, who set up in the admin. All right, so if you want to pay using anyone, you can just click on pay now using anyone. So let's just select this one. Let's say pay now. You enter the amount. Let's say 5,000. Click on next. This PHP here is the currency selected. You can choose any. You can select any currency. All right, any currency at all, dollars, any currency. So I click on next. If I click on next, they tell me please follow transaction limit. Okay, you can also set up the transaction limit. So I believe look at, they say transaction limit 10 to 0, so it cannot work. Cannot work on this this thing. Let's see if, okay, this one has 10 to, this is the limit. You can also set this up in the admin, the transaction range, all right, for each payment method. So on this now, look at 10 to this, so let's just put 5,000. Sorry, 5,000, and click on next. You see, then click on pay now. Pay now. So let's just allow it to just open up. Okay, it has opened up. So it says please follow the instruction, blah 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 blah. Upload proof of payment. So after making payment, please make payment to the wallet. After making payment, you can now upload a proof of payment. If I click here, it will take me to my computer, and what should I select? Let's say I select this picture here, and let's say this is my proof of payment. I just click on confirm now. As soon as I click on confirm now, the admin should be aware that a deposit has been made. So the admin has to approve it from the deposit side, from the admin side, right, before it can be seen on the user's dashboard. I don't know if my network is fast enough. Okay, so you see, they said your request has been taken. As you can see now, it's pending here until the what is it called? Until the it's pending here until the admin approves it, right? So, and look at other functionalities. The plans is here. So once the admin approves it, the money will be here, and the person can now invest. So if you click on invest, you can now invest. Okay, I'll go back to the admin and so see, look at the whole options here. Basically, my referral, payouts, transactions, everything is actually basically here. Here is where you can, your dashboard, your my profile, 2FA security, logout. So everything is smart. I don't know what else to show in this script. I think I've shown a lot and enough. Like I said, I'm not going to be starting from beginning, buying of domain name and hosting, but I'm just going to brush it over a bit so that if there's any beginner here watching, the person can just pick up something and follow up with us immediately. So first of all, I'm going to use Hostinger. So if you want to use Hostinger, you first of all enter hostinger.com. I'm going to use Hostinger as a hosting provider. Like I said, we have so many hosting providers you can actually use out there. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Hostinger. All right. So if you want to buy a domain name, let's assume I've already bought hosting. What I would have just done is just log in here. But and I've already bought hosting though. Well, let me just show you how to get it if you are new. So if you come to Hostinger platform, you just choose this premium hosting is okay. Just click on add to cart. This one goes for if it is Namecheap, you must have to register and all of that. So this one, let's select choose period. Let's select 12 months. All right. Then you come here, you put your email and your password. Okay, put your email and your password. Then you fill in this place. All right. After filling in this place, this whole place, you choose CoinGate because you're going to be paying with coin, just like I did. I like paying with coin. I look at the total $38. This is for hosting. After buying hosting, you can now connect to your domain. So when you click on submit secure payments, you proceed. All right, you proceed to buying of to funding your account and making payments and all of that. All right, so when you get your hosting, you'll be given a chance to connect a free domain to it. So that's what you're going to do. Me, I've made my payment already, so I'll not go through this place. But you can try it out. If you have any issues with buying of domain name and hosting, you can let me know. And if you need a special hosting, it's cPanel, I can send it to you and you can actually use it. So let's assume we bought our hosting from Hostinger and want to connect our domain name. So this is me here. This is my account, Hostinger account. I bought my domain and hosting. After buying your hosting, you come back to hosting and click on login, all right, and use the credentials you've put in here earlier to log in. And once you log in, you go to somewhere like this. Now I'm doing this for beginners so that you can know how to navigate your way through. But if you're already designing a website, you should know this already. All right, you should know this already. Even if you're not using a HPanel, which is Hostinger, you can as well use cPanel. All right. So let's assume we are here already. We bought our hosting. As you can see, premium web hosting is pending setup. It's pending setup because we've not collected our domain, we've not done anything. So let's set it up. What you're going to do is just click on setup here. All right, look at it here. Say start now. Click on start now. Whatever you do, once you get to that place, you can just follow up like this. Maybe you're following, just follow through before the end of this video. I'll try to make it as fast as possible so that will be fast. So what we're going to do here is skip. I don't want personalized experience. Skip and create an empty website. You can see they say claim free domain, buy domain. Since we just bought our hosting, there's a space for us to claim free domain. They'll give us free domains. I'll just claim it. I love what is free. So select here. The name I'm going to use is Siphon. In this life, right? Or a friend. So let's say search. This is siphon.com. Let's say this is our domain name. So let's search. This domain is already taken. This is not. So we're back. I think this is the right domain name I was given. Samephone.com. So let's search and see if it is free. Okay, as you can see, it is free. So let's continue. Let's continue. All right, let's continue. So here you're asked if you're registering for a friend or personal or company. I'll just put personal. Next, this is the contact details we filled. Your registration here. If you register here, fill out this thing, first name and hosting. Once you're coming here, it will be here. All right. So everything checks out already. So I'll just click on finish. If your own did not appear here, just fill it up again with your details. So I'll just click on finish. If you don't want to go through the stress of like I said, I have a hosting that I use. All I'll just do is just to get your domain, set it up for you, and it's bulletproof. So set it up for you, and I'll send it to you, send the server details to you so that you can continue building. If you need it, it's not compulsory. Well, you can also buy your hosting from anywhere. So once you've gotten to this place, you click on finish setup. Finish setup. Like I said, my purpose of this video is not strictly for beginners. If you're a beginner, you want to start afresh, you've not designed any website before, I'll leave a link to one of my videos I did on BTC investment website where I started from the beginning. So you can start from that video. But if you've designed something like this before, you haven't designed a website before in your life, this will be pretty easy. Even if you've not used Hostinger, I'm sure you can navigate your way around it. All right, following this video or even getting smart with it and doing something fast. So once you've gotten here, you just click on manage site. Right, hope you're following. I'm trying to make this very, very fast. As you can see, we've gotten to this place. So the first thing I like to always do is to set up my email, my professional email. So you click on under free email, you click on setup. All right, click on setup and it's opening. As you can see, I will go with this Titan free email. It's okay for us. It's okay for us. Titan free email, it's okay for us. Yeah, I like to open. I am building this thing live, so you follow up with me. Your network is faster than mine. Yours will be faster. I think mine is pretty average. So just click on info and I'll put my password here. My password here is my business. All right. So my password is here. Recovery email. Let's put support at simfund.com. All right. You'll now come and put create new email. So click on done. This is one. We're going to create another one. So I'll have two. So the first one I created was info. The second one I'm going to create is support. So support, my password is my business, just like your password is also your business. All right. So all right. So just click on create. So that is that for that. We'll say done. All right. So this is that for that in creating email. So I'll go back to home. All right. As you can see, my email is created. So go back to home. I'll be here. Right. Let me check something under hosting, under website. I'm just trying to show you around, but where you come is home after creating your email. So on this hosting, payment web hosting, click on manage. As usual, come here. As you can see, this one that said pending, this free email that said pending setup before has been active, as you can see. So what we're going to do now is to start building the website. All right, the first thing we have to do is to upload our script. I have the script on my computer. Click on file manager. As you can just click on this file manager to bring you here. We are going to upload our script now, as the script is one of the most important things. All right, without the script, you cannot build. That is the essence of building without coding, because the script is already coded for you, so you don't have to stress. I deleted that part, as you can see, because we don't need it. So what we have to do is open our public underscore HTML. This default PHP, let's delete it because we don't need it. All right, so let's upload our script. If you want to upload your script, just click on this arrow here. This is download, this is upload. All right, so click on this upload right here. Let's upload a file. This file in my computer, you can get it, but it's not free. So when you need it, you come to me. I'll make it very affordable for you, because this script is powerful, right? Very, very powerful. I really do not give it out anyhow, but if you need it, you come to me. I'll give it to you, but it's not for free. Note that. If you're looking for something for free, please leave. You can stop watching this video at this point. So this is a script here. It's under this place. So this is a script right here. So I just click on it and upload. Click on this hamburger icon here. Let's see if our permission is change permissions. Okay, it's complete. Make sure you check everything in case your own is not checked, but this my own case is checked, and in most of the cases yours too will be checked, so don't have anything to worry about, right? So just cancel it out. And that is after. Let's check if our license is uploading. Okay, it has finished uploading. So what we do here is to extract. Our database is created already, right? So what we'll do here is to extract this. Extract. Most times in hosting, you'll be prompted to extract into a folder, creating it automatically. All right, so I'll have to create a folder. Let's call it maybe en. All right, en. I'll click on extract so that you extract it into that folder. If it is Namecheap, you don't have to go through this stress. You just extract it directly to the root folder. All right, but we need these particular files on the root folder, not inside en. So I'm going to copy all the files here and move it to the root folder. All right, so how do I copy it? I've opened it. So I'll just click on Control A. On hosting, that Control A copies everything. But if you're on cPanel, just find a way to copy everything. So, okay, on cPanel, you don't even have to copy because it's too extra directly root folder. So I'm moving here now, move. All right. As you can see, it's in this folder en here. So I'll move it to this folder. What I'll do is just click on this place to go up one level. Double click. As you can see, it has gone up one level. So you just move it to this place. As you can see, it's moved. So let's leave here and go back to our database. All right, let's import our database. So if you want to import the database, this is the database we created. So just click on enter PHP my admin. So entering PHP my admin. This script is powerful. I put my admin out button here. So we just click on this particular one, database, so that we'll make sure we are importing. Click on import here. All right. Then this file too, I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to send you the script and the file, but it's not for free. All right. Please click like this. You've imported the database.sql. So I'll just click on go. All right. I'll just click on go. As you can see, import has been successfully finished. Everything has been imported, all right, correctly. So one thing we are going to do now is to configure our script. Now this is the script that will move into public HTML. So we are going to configure it right now. All right, configuring it, this is what we are going to do. This is the file, locate.env. If you are on Namecheap, sometimes this .env is hidden. So you just go to settings and settings on your cPanel and show hidden files. If you don't know how to do it, you can contact me. I'll let you know how to do it. So what we'll do here now is okay, let's configure under env, right click, edit. All right, this is where we're going to configure. So this is where you add the name of your site. In my own case is phone, right, .com. All right, then the app name, phone, right, phone. It's okay like this. So database name, database username, database password, very, very important. This is one of the important sessions. So we'll go back to where we created database. This is our database name. You copy it. All right. You come here and paste it. Database username. This is our database username here. You come here, you copy it. My database username and my database is the same. So you paste it here. Then the password. Remember, this is our password. You can have any password. All right. You click on here. All right. So that's it. That's for that. That is what you just have to do here. The rest you are going to do is from the admin. So you click on save changes. All right. So the next thing you have to do is to change our PHP version to where you have to change your PHP version is under advanced here. You click on it. As you can see it here, this left hand side PHP configuration. Our PHP version should be 7.4. If you want this thing to work with our script, so you click on 7.4 and click on update. All right, confirm. So this is that for that. If we did everything correctly, that means our website should be live now. All right, so we're going to be checking now to see if our website is live, then do the remaining changes and editing in the admin. So for now, see you in my next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. Okay, so welcome back. Welcome back. let's check if our website is live. Let's check if our website is live. If we did everything correctly, our website should be live. All right, our website should be live if we did everything correctly. So first of all, let's enter our admin very fast. Let's just go into our admin. All right, very fast. I'll let you know how to go into your admin. Send your admin URL and your password. All right, so that you know how to navigate your admin. So once you enter your admin, something is going to happen that I'm going to say. All right, this is the first thing that will pop up. All right, when this pops up, be happy because you're on the right track. All right, so what you're going to do is you copy this. This is for, it's going to be responsible for your SMS, and this is going to be responsible for updating your investment plans. All right, so let's go to our server here where we change our PHP version. We'll scroll down. All right, what we are looking for now is where to add these Cron jobs. This is, we call it Cron jobs here in your admin. So first pop up so that you have to do it before you even get into the admin. So I've copied this link. You just copy it and come back here and go to under this advanced tool. You look for, see advanced, you look for Cron jobs. Click on it. As you can see. So I'll put it on custom instead of PHP. I'll put it on custom. So come here, that code I copied, I will paste it. Then common options, come here, click on it. Just once an hour is okay. All right, under minute, once every minute is okay, so that this will be updating every minute. Under hour, come here, every hour. All right, everything is just, make sure you start every hour, every day, every month, so that this works perfectly. All right, every month. On Namecheap or cPanel, just a little bit different, but almost the same thing, as you can see. So with this, the setup is fine. All right, like I said, Namecheap is a little bit different. I cannot start capturing both Namecheap and Hostinger here. All right, but if you are using Namecheap or any cPanel, if you are confused, you can let me know. But it's pretty easy. Or I'll just recommend you use hosting at once, or you use my hosting, anyone. So you click on here to copy the second one, go back here on Chrome, you do another one, paste it here. All right, come here once an hour, come here every minute, come here every hour, come here every day, come here every month. All right, come here every weekday. All right, click on save. That is that for that. You've set it up. So you come here now, you close it up. That is that for that. So this is your admin. Look at how powerful your admin is. Your admin has a whole lot of functionalities, of which you're going to be assessing or finding out when you get into it. Now, what do we have to do next? There's a lot of things we can do next, but let's start from just changing our. Let's go to general settings first. All right, let's go to general settings. Let's go to team settings and let's manage team. Let me show you something. So manage team, look at, I told you we have, this script has 6 different templates you can choose from. So if I choose any one now, the template here will change. I'm not going to be doing it here because there's not much time. So if you choose any one, your template will change. Your whole website template will change. So this is how powerful this script is. I don't know if I should just do it to show you, but let's get on with other things. All right, so you can select any theme you want. After selecting, you can come down here and under controls, basic control, let's just set up some things, basic control. So you customize the name of your own site. All right, This is where you customize it with the name of your own site. I've written my own. So your currency symbol is dollar. You can change your currency symbol. Bonus, if you want bonus on sign up, this is where it is. Transfer charge, if you want to transfer. Maximum joining bonus, if you want to turn it on and off. Minimum transfer, a lot of things. Base currency, USD, as usual. Strong password on registration. Strong password is off. Cron setup is off. We've set it already, so there's no point turning it on. Debug mode. So everything is checked. Everything checks out fine here, I guess. Everything checks out fine here. So I'll just click on save changes. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is let's set up our email. Alright, our email. Let's set up our email. As you can see, this is email settings. Here, click on it, email controls. This is going to be responsible for email notification. As you can see, it's on. Email verification is on. You can turn email verification off and on. Some people will tell you they want to turn it off so that they will not be receiving, but you can leave it on if you want to receive email verification. So here, if you get this script from me, this script is already a bit configured using name Hostinger. As you can see here, host. You have smtp.titan.email. If it is on Namecheap, your host will just be your website name. Let's say symphone.com. I hope you are getting me if it is on Namecheap or any cPanel. But this is Hostinger, so this is the host name. Alright, so I'm just going to change this to my own website name. Alright. .com. And here just put alright, confirm. So leave here like this. If you're using Hostinger 465, leave here. But if you're using name, you just change it to your domain name.com. Alright, so here confirm. Let's change this to .com. Alright, then here phone 2. Alright. So what else? I think everything checks out fine, so just click on save changes. Alright. There are a lot of things. You're just playing around it. There's a lot of things you can change here. So let's go to manage themes and logo. I've not designed my logo, but let's assume you have your logo. This is where you change it. Just click here, select your logo and upload. This whole thing will change the whole logo on your platform. So here now you click on SEO. You can change all this matrix. You change this picture too, alright, with your logo. If you want me to help you design logo, I can help you do that. But if you know how to design logo, you can design it yourself, or you can contract somebody else to design it for you. Alright, I'm going to design my logo and I'll upload. I'm just showing you how to navigate it. Alright, so all here you do this. Alright, and of course you must have changed your logo here, and then click on save changes. Very important. So what else do we do? Okay, the whole content here, as you can see, welcome to this. Let me show you where you edit it. All this content here, is you can edit all of them from the admin. Let's say this is our admin. All right, this is our admin, and this is our content. Manage content. If you click on this, it will drop down. Now this hero is this place. As you can see, very simple. All right, this one you don't even have to go into the code to do anything. Just do everything from your admin. All right, so let's say I'll just do some editing, then you can do the rest. If I click on hero, it shows it centralized profit for you. Welcome to, as you can see, the same thing, centralized profit for you. Welcome to. So let me just edit it your own name. All right, matrix CI, should I say? Okay, like this. You can change this picture too. This picture is what's scrolling here, as you can see. So you can change it. Or let's just click on save changes. Then as you can see, about us, and everything is here. Deposit and everything is here. Then if you go to content settings again, there are some things you have to set here to look at blog. So you can set everything here, customize everything here. I'm showing you, but I'm not going into it. All right. So that is that for that. I don't know if there's something else I'll have to show you, but let's call this video for now and see if we can come back later or not. Whether I come back later or I don't come back later, I've shown you everything you need to know. The rest is just editing from the admin. Look at your investment side. All right, your investment side, people that have invested. If you want to set up your plans, look at manage plan. All right, manage plan list. If you want to create your plans, All right, look at the plans that are active, 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 inactive. You can turn it inactive or active. You can add new. Look at add new here, add new plan. If I add new plan now, it shows this plan name, badge, that's like a short form which is optional, plan price period fixed. All right, but it should be range so that it should be from this to this. All right, minimum and maximum, right? Then yield, the percentage, every hour or every day or every week. All right, as you can see. Then return period, the maturity, you know how many times. If it's every day, you know how many times. Capital back, of course, yes, after maturity. Featured, yes. If you don't click on featured, it won't come out. All right, then status active, save changes. Simple. You just have to create your plan. That is that for that, basically. All right. Okay, welcome back to my computer. Something in me just said I should just add logo. It's not like you cannot add logo, but just wanted to add logo, because let's add logo. I just finished designing my logo. I use Canva. This is not a paid advert, but I use Canva. You can use Canva too. All right, and I have access to Canva Premium. In case you need, I'll just give you access to Canva Premium so that you can design unlimited designs limitlessly. So this is the site I will upload the logo, as I told you before. So I'll just click on this. Where's my logo? I think I have my logo here. I finished my logo already. Okay, this is it. Just upload it. I don't know if this will show up in them because it's white. Mine is white, but I think it will show, especially on the front page, because I use the front page color. All right, so yours can be anything. So I just click on save changes. All right, let's go to SEO and move these two and save changes. So when you save changes, you may notice that your listing is not changing. Don't worry, it has changed already. All right, that's changed already. Okay, let's go to here and refresh and see. Control F5. This is how to refresh and see come up. All right, so you can see pretty here and fine and smooth and fun. So everything is nice and good. Every other thing you can figure it out yourself, and if you cannot figure it out, you can always contact me. Thank you very much for watching this part of this video. My name is Cron, and as usual, I'm always teaching you basic skill that will increase your value and make you earn more. Or you can even apply these skills in your business to help your business and grow. All right, thank you very much. And if you need this script, I have this script. But if you're looking for something free, you cannot get it here. The script, as at when I'm recording this video, is 60,000 naira in naira and $60 if you're paying in dollar. But if you're coming now, you're coming any moment from now that I'm uploading this video newly, I can give you a reasonable discount. So thank you very much and see you on the inside.